Today is a big day.
Tell me, Nora. Tell me more about today.
The DIY is making a comeback.
Okay, cool.
Not one, not two, but 3 times over. And they're all for
anti-aging.
Woo, woo.
We know how much you guys love anti-aging DIYs, so we came up with 3 really easy, simple ones you can do at home that are going to be like, it's going to transform your face. You're going to be like, oh my god, like I'm 15 years younger.
There you go. 15 years younger, guys. You're going to look 4.
Okay, the first one is super simple. Hopefully you guys already have these in your pantry if you've made any of our DIYs before. It's aloe vera gel and a little bit of vitamin E. The nice thing about this DIY is it's actually an overnight treatment.
It's an overnight mask.
Yeah.
So what's great about this is the aloe vera gel. You guys, if you don't have it, you should have it at home, because aside from the fact that it always helps when you're burnt, it's really rich in a lot of vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B12. So it really helps hydrate your skin, minimize pores. And then the vitamin E is a great moisturizer. So overall, you should always just have this in your cabinet, because you could put it on everything. Like I mix it with my coconut oil. I mix it with
you can mix it with moisturizer to make it even more moist.
Exactly. It's a really good more moist. It's a really good moisturizer. So this is an overnight mask. What you're gonna do is let's do a teaspoon. Actually, we're 2 people, so we'll do a tablespoon. So do a tablespoon.
Or 2 teaspoons.
Or 2 teaspoons.
Okay. Of aloe vera gel.
Same with the vitamin E oil. 1, 2.
Cool.
And then you mix it up.
And you apply it directly to your face.
So do this after you come out of the shower at night. Don't apply anything else on your skin. This is going to act as your under eye cream, your moisturizer, your serum, everything.
Cool. Here. And I would say wait for it to dry up a little bit before you
Getting in bed, yeah.
get into bed, just so you don't get your sheets all gooey or moist.
And it's funny because I love overnight masks.
I would rather do an overnight mask than like a
The ones you leave on
the
for
sheet
like
masks.
Yeah.
I can't handle sheet masks. I have a love-hate relationship with them. I'd rather just apply it and be done, you know?
So this really, like, sleeping with it overnight helps work on those, like, fine lines. It helps unclog your pores. Declog, is that a word?
Oh, sure.
Yeah. Declog your pores. Feels good, right?
Yeah.
And it's, like, kind of, like, refreshing.
It is refreshing because of the aloe vera.
Yeah. All right, you guys. So this is mask 1. This is an overnight mask, anti-aging overnight mask. So remember, today we're focusing on anti-aging.
Yeah. Aging backwards.
Yeah, we are. We're gonna move on to mask number 2.
Okay.
Mask number 2.
Woo! For mask number 2, we are going to be using vegetable glycerin. This is so good for your skin. Really great anti-aging. And vitamin E again, because vitamin E is really good for your skin and for your nails.
So what's good about vegetable glycerin is that it actually kind of like repairs your skin.
Yeah.
So instead of like anti-aging, it's kind of like actually also working the lines that are on there, your pores. So it's actually repairing versus preventing.
And it's a good moisturizer because it softens your skin as well.
Yes, and so these are like double moisturizer right here.
Cool.
Let's do a teaspoon.
So
Same thing.
1 and 1?
Yeah.
Okay.
I forgot that was like a big thing. Opening. Okay.
Okay. Mix.
So this isn't an overnight mask, you guys. It's an overtime mask. So basically you have to put this on at night or in the daytime if you're home.
And for how long?
Keep it on at least 15 minutes, but you could leave it on there for a long time.
Okay.
The only thing is the reason it's not an overnight mask is because of the glycerine. It is more oily.
Yeah, it does
like
feel heavier, but it feels very moisturizing.
Yeah, and it's not like coconut oil. You know, you get scared of coconut oil that it's going to clog your pores and it's just not good for your skin to put a lot of it. This is actually good for your skin to put it on there because of all the vitamins in there.
Okay, mask number 3. This one is going to entail some bentonite clay. Important that you use either a wooden spoon or a plastic spoon with bentonite clay, not metal, because it deactivates its ingredients. A little bit of rose water and a few drops of sandalwood essential oil, or if you have sandalwood powder, that also works too.
Yes. So rose water is usually really easy to find. Sandalwood is not that easy. So the best place I would say is Amazon, you guys. And the thing with rose water and sandalwood specifically is that it helps repair cell damage. So this is also like a repair mask for your skin. It tightens your skin.
Yeah.
And it's extra moisturizing.
And bentonite clay is a really good exfoliant, and it basically like penetrates deep into your pores and cleans out your pores.
Well, there you go.
Cool. Okay, so we'll do 1 teaspoon of bentonite clay. We'll do a teaspoon of rose water. And about 2 to 3 drops of sandalwood oil. Great. And we're going to mix this up, and it's going to turn into clay format. Okay. Looks like we need a tiny bit more rose water. And it's okay for you to alter the measurements a little bit so that it works for you. Yeah, there we go. So it should look like actual
Like
clay.
paste form.
Paste, yeah. Okay, you ready?
Yep. It'd be nice if we had brushes, but you know.
We're just gonna have to use our fingers for this one.
This smells so good.
It is. Because
So
of the rose water, too.
So you have to put this on your skin and leave it on there for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off with warm water. And do it about like once or twice a week, you guys, if you want to actually see a difference in your skin. That third one was intense.
The third one felt so good. My skin feels
In
so
like a
clean.
really good way.
And the second one felt like nice and oily, and
Yeah.
the first one was very refreshing. So I
Yeah.
feel like
They're
you get
all
a little-
different kinds.
They're very different, but you get a little bit out of each and every one.
Yeah,
of them.
but this one I felt like intense, like
Yeah.
it was working.
My skin feels so clean, and I definitely feel 10 years younger.
I do too. I would definitely use this before going into the shower.
Yeah.
Like, you know, some masks they're like, oh, when you get out
Yeah.
of the shower, do it. I would do this after the shower.
So you can
I mean,
just
before
clean
the
in
shower.
there and like be done with it.
Yeah. Oh my god, I feel so good.
Right?
All right, you guys, if you have any video suggestions, let us know in the comments
Yay.
below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're new here. And we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Love you.